Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Google Meet. Well, on your screen you can see I have my name as Sarah Kupi. Well, all you have to do is go ahead and open new tab. You should know that whatever your name is in Google account that you've used to join Google Meet, that name's going to appear on Google Meet. So, go to new tab, tap on that user icon, go ahead and select manage your Google account. Once you go to manage your Google account, go to personal info. Now under personal info, you can see your name option under basic info. There, select name. Then you can see a small pencil sign right beside your name. Tap on it. Then change your name. Well, whatever name you want. Then tap on save. Now all you have to do is go back and end that call. Now rejoin the call. Then you can see on your screen your name has been changed. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your name on Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.